How to clear WhatsApp storage on your iPhone. So the first thing you need to do is open up settings on your phone. You can then scroll down and click on general and then click on iPhone storage. Now we can scroll down and locate the WhatsApp application. If you can't see it in this list, you can always press show all. And once you've found WhatsApp, go and select it like so. Now at the very top, you'll see the app size, and beneath that you'll see documents and data. Now typically your documents and data are going to be what's consuming the most amount of space in WhatsApp. So to go and clear your WhatsApp storage, we need to head over to the WhatsApp application, and then you need to click on settings in the bottom right hand side. You can now scroll down to storage and data and click on manage storage. Now what you can do from here is start deleting some of your saved media to go and save some storage space on WhatsApp. So you can click on this option that's larger than 5 megabytes, and here you'll see the items that consume the most amount of storage. So you can simply click on select in the top right hand side, and you can either press on select all at the bottom, or you can just go through these individually and check the ones you want to delete. You can then click on the trash icon in the bottom right hand side and go and press delete items. Now once you've done this, you can see that this saves you storage space on your iPhone, and it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.